Yeah, hi. Yeah, last chapter we see how to create a virtual machine, how to access virtual machine in RDP, and how to access those things. And now today we are going to see how to create a web app. Web app is the Web app is a service when you have a deploy any create any project. You want to deploy your project into web app. So you know to those web app we need here. So how to create a web app? Just go on panels and just select app service and app service. Just go on app service and click on create. So create a web we require a web app, to select a web app. And after that there is some basic information we require to just go in flow. And here we need to select subscription first. So we have already selected free trial version, and resource group you have already created, to just select previous one and put web app name, what purpose you web app require. So any deployment, code deployment, to just put app deployment, app deployment. Web app you can naming convention you can change based on your project requirement and anything. And where you need to push your code in code container. So we have selected runtime stack, which version you want to select for .NET. So currently we are using a .NET 8 long-term support. And where you will install, if .NET is there, so obviously window machine is there. So region is required. If you have a less size, so you need to different region required, like VM you have created in east US, and size and memory is very less, so just change your region. Otherwise they're not able to create a web app. Go next. Window plan Canada, yeah, leave as it is. That is a free and share. Enable zone redundancy, enable. Just go on next. We have created a database right now. No deployment center, leave that as it is, because we need to create a GitHub account. And for CD continuous deployment we can see later once web app is created. So just leave that for now. Just go on networking, just go on monitor and secure, and just yeah, wait for some time. Yeah, monitor and secure, leave that as it is. Tags no required for right now. And review and create. So you can just review and create. So you can see whatever you have selected, you can review. And if you want to change anything, just click on previous and go and select whatever you have selected. So in a basic whatever you have selected app deployment, you can change your name, and you have code and which stack you are deploy .NET version, and where equal to window. If you want to select a Linux, so Linux have a different configuration and structure. So leave that for now. And plan, which plan you want to select it. So we have just free plan, because you have selected premium or SSD, so they required more money. So leave that for now. Just go and verify and just go and select that. Yeah, we have done. Once we have completed the review, and we'll just click on create button. So they get a new application. Just we have create for validate. They will take some time to validating your web app, and after that they create a new one. Just to wait for some time and watch for that. Yeah, deployment is in progress. But web app is start creating. Wait for some time to view. When we are going to create a web app, yeah, you can see the your deployment is incomplete. It means your web app is created. Go to resource and overview. You can see the overview whatever you have selected plan, like resource group, status is currently, status is running location, we have selected uh, Canada Central subscription is a free subscription, health check, and default domain. This is your default domain. You can see, click here, and you can see that is the default page are displaying here. Here is the this is the default page is displaying here. When you have created a real project, so here you can see the your project is reflected here. Whatever the you have code changes in HTML, CSS, .NET, MVC, or Angular, whatever your code is there, so just reflect here. So that is a static page. Just come here and see. In web application is a very big web web app is a very big concept in a Azure. There is a lots of things here you can see. That is a deployment. When your code is ready and you have a publish your code in a local, and you can see here, so after that you need to deploy your code from here. So that is a deployment slot is here. Also you can create a staging and production environment. Deployment center is deployment center is a center that is when you want to create your CD continuous deployment with Azure's with GitHub. Your code is checking in GitHub, and you take select from a GitHub whatever the things you have required. Just select where GitHub, Bitbucket, local Git, Azure repo. That is here you can select and go next. To we will talk later. And also here that is setting is also there, the environment variable configuration, authentication, identity. These things we can see later. Yeah, so this is all about the web app creation in Azure. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you.